Now you're going to solve exercise 3.1. Its question number 1 is, for each angle listed, state what type of angle it is, acute, right, or obtuse. An acute angle we know is that an angle that is lesser than 90 but greater than 0 degrees. A right angle is an angle that is of 90 degrees, and an obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 but lesser than 180 degrees. Okay, with these definitions, let's try to figure it out. First of all, we need to measure angle BAC in part A. This is B, this is A, and this is C. This angle seems to be lesser than 90 degree. So this is going to be an acute angle, but how do we need to measure it? Let's see. We need to place this center of the protractor at the common vertex of the rays BA and CA. So that common point is A. So now measuring this angle from here, reading it from this and going till here, we can see that it is a 40-degree angle from here to here, 40 degrees. So the answer to part A is going to be 40 degrees, and that is why it is an acute angle. Okay, now for part B, angle BAD, from BA till D, you see this 60 and then this is 70. So BAD is equal to 70 degrees. Since it is lesser than 90 degrees, so it is also going to be an acute angle. Now angle BAE, BAE, this angle is greater than 90 degrees but lesser than 180 degrees, and it is going till here, almost 130 degrees. So angle BAE for part C, BAE equals to 130 degrees. So what type of angle is it? It is an obtuse angle. Now angle D, CAD, CAD, this angle. This angle is also lesser than 90 degrees but greater than 0 degrees. So it is going to be an acute angle. But how much is it? The starting value is 40 and its ending value is 70. So in between this is 70 minus 40, that is 30 degrees. So CAD is equal to 30 degrees, which is an acute angle. Now CAF in part E. CAF. Here is C, here is A, and here is F. Okay. This seems to be just like a straight line, but it isn't actually. Starting with C, like this, and going till F, we observe that this is starting from here, going there. This is 170 degrees. So CAF is in part E, 170, which is an obtuse angle, greater than 90 but lesser than 180 degree. Okay, now part F, CAE. CAE. This is equals to 90 degrees, so that is why it is a right angle. Then part G, DAB. DAB. This is the angle we need to find out. Always we need to consider that the middle vertex is the angle starting vertex. So we always need to consider this angle at A. Now DAB is something, let's measure it. We can have something like this. So whether you measure it this way or this way, the angle is going to be of the same size. So you can see going from here till here, it is 70, and then going from here till here, it is again 180 minus 110. That is 70. So for part G, this is an angle of 70 degrees, which is obviously an acute angle. Now part H, DAE, we need to measure DAE, this angle. The end value is 130 and starting value is 70. So it is 130 minus 70. That is 60 degrees, and that's why it is an acute angle. And finally, part I, angle DAF. D, A, and F. Okay, let's measure it. Okay, from here till here, starting from 40 and going till 180. So that is going to be 180 minus 40. That is 140. So that is an obtuse angle being greater than 90 and lesser than 180 degrees. So that was question number 1. Okay, now we need to solve question number 2. What is the size of the reflex angle DAB? A reflex angle DAB. And the diagram for question number 1. Okay, for that, what we need to do? Let me erase the previous one. We can measure this one. This angle is 70. And if we complete this circle, this portion, this angle is going to be 360 minus 70. That is 290. So this is the angle we need to tell. The reflex angle, which is 360 minus this acute angle, 70. So the required reflex angle DAB is 290 degrees. So that completes our question number 2 and exercise 3.1. I hope you would have liked my video. If yes, then please do comment it, share it, and then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.